Hush, does everybody remember where I live? Yeah, that's right. Texas, the southern region of the United States. Want to see what it looks outside right now? Remember I said Texas. Look at this shit. Shit. Our shit's all getting buried. Not for real though. There's your proof. Shit, my boot gets fucking buried. Dude, that was definitely a rabbit. Those tracks. This long ass track right here is definitely a rabbit. We have rabbits everywhere. That's our trash that the trash people never fucking got. Can't really see it, it's all buried under snow. I can hear my neighbor I have a speech impediment. I can hear my neighbor shoveling their driveway again. We had ice the past 2 days. I have sparklers left off our water. I can't even see my feet now. And this is all ice. Never mind. I lied.